So she passed on those Birkenstocks. They had a flaw in the back, but welcome to the video. We are garage sailing this morning. We have no idea what we're gonna find, and we're gonna take you along with us. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of the big spaceship. And today we are going to garage sales. My girlfriend and I, she's on her phone, and we don't know what we're gonna find. We're gonna, make some deals. We're gonna negotiate. Maybe she won't get in trouble this time, like last week. That guy was talking some smack. But anyway, I hope we find some good stuff. And whatever we find, we're gonna show you. And hopefully teach you a little bit about how to flip used items that are found at garage sales. We're on our way to a neighborhood called Steiner Ranch. And it is 25 minutes away, which totally sucks. But we're taking a bet that this one could have some really good things. Also, the first link down below is a free guide, and you can learn how to do this. Is the first link down below. Go check it out. And you can also follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler. What do you want to find today?
Vintage coach.
You found that last weekend.
Yeah, I want to find it again and again because it sells.
We're not going to ask her that question anymore because it's probably just going to be the same thing all the time. The purse she found last week was pretty cool though. The white one, I like that one. So if you're keeping, tabs on the vlogs and everything like that.
Or Doc Martens. Doc Martens would be a good one too.
Okay, we got another answer. So Doc Martens, platform probably, yeah. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning here in Austin, Texas. Also by now, I think by the time this video airs, the new garage sale guide should be available. No, it'll be available really soon. By the time this airs, it's probably like 3 to 5 days away from being launched. So, if you have any last minute requests of things that you really want me to put in that guide, and the guide's amazing already, then let me know. I'll make sure to put it in. So we're at a gas station. My girlfriend needs to use the bathroom, but I feel like the profit is just slipping through the cracks of time, through my bona fide fingers. We sold 3 things from the last garage sale, maybe 4, 3, I have no idea. Okay, so last weekend, what did we sell? We sold a $45 bike that we picked up Saturday, a week ago, for $300. That was pretty good. $20 GameCube for $100. That was pretty good. Pelican case. I forget what I was into that. It was part of a $125 deal where I got a bunch of other stuff. We sold the Pelican case yesterday for $100. I know there's another thing that sold too, but I can't remember what it is. But anyway, so yeah, pretty good. We're turning things over. And one of the things, well, I guess the new guide will teach you all this, is just speed to execution. That's right. One of the best tips I can give y'all is that when you're done with a garage sale day, like really carve out an extra hour or so to get the most important things listed, like right out of the gates. So very, very important tip. If you want to make money, you want to churn and burn, you want to, rotate this money as fast as possible, you have to get out of the gates as fast as possible too. Execute him. Finish him. All right, got to Steiner Ranch. Let's check out some of these garage sales.
I know, they did. Really good. Yeah,
There we go. Too bad it's not the season for wakeboarding. How much is a helmet? Just curious. 50. 50? Okay. No. All right, first official score of the morning, a Lululemon kind of like jacket thingy.
Yeah, it's a, I forget, I have to look it up. But these are around 100 to 150 and I got it for 10.
From that garage sale, all these clubs, there's a bunch of Callaways in here, a lot of them actually. So you'll get irons and drivers, 1 putter, $5 for all this. I'll evaluate that when I go home, but this is probably worth decent money, maybe $100 or so. And then also for $5, this Rockville sub that usually goes into stuff like golf carts. So $5 right there. Hopefully we can move this thing for like 50 or so. We'll see. So I'm leaving this garage sale, but this was sitting here like this, and I picked up all these really cool base plates that are Lego base plates, but some of these are the moon plates as well. There's like 2 moon plates in here. So that's a good score. The moon plates, I think, were part of like late 80s or 90s Lego sets. So they're pretty cool. I'll show it to you in a second. So there's stuff, you know, there's definitely some these are called base plates when you deal with Legos. But more importantly, these are all free, but these 2 are the vintage ones, I'm pretty sure. There's 2 moon plates right here. Looks like the surface of the moon. So we got 2 of those. So let's get stuff for some good money. There's like an older Hartman thingy here. Not terribly popular. Gonna pass. Got some jackets. Got some video games. Cool. Let's check it out. Little 360 system. Xbox One games. So I passed on the entire thing. It was an Xbox One, $50, some games, you know, untested condition. I don't know. I think it's a pass because those things are everywhere. $80 to $100 locally, and no. Time invested to like check it all. It's not worth it to me. So we see boots and stuff. This could be okay. We'll see. Kind of weird. Oh, not bad. I'll leave it up to my girlfriend to make a decision on that one, but there's a garage sale that's right down the way. I'm gonna check this one out. These are yeah, there was a lot of collector stuff there, so you know, it takes a lot of time to go through all that stuff, and I just don't have the time today. But yeah, all this Matchbox and Hot Wheels, and decided to pass on all of it. Another garage sale. Let's see how much stuff is here. Cool boots. Okay, so from this garage sale behind me, picked up some shoes to $1. We got a pair on Roger. So those are pretty good. Those usually sell for like $50 locally. And we also got a pair of authentic vintage Reeboks. That's right. These are from like the 80s. Pretty neat. TBD on the price of those and what we can sell them for. But the on Rogers were a good steal. We got them both for $8. Okay, so from that garage sale right there, we just got a $20 Inspire 129T. This is a tandem kayak. And we got 1 set of paddles with it. So that's pretty cool. Could probably move this thing for like $200 cash locally. We're walking to another garage sale, but yeah, that tandem kayak could probably sell for like $200 to $300. Not too bad. No cracks on it either.
Right now, $5.
Okay, we spotted a bike. We're gonna see if we can get it. Okay, just got this Specialized Mica. This is a 26-inch wheel mountain bike. And I think I could probably resell it for like $250 or so. All right, we found a free youth set of golf clubs on the side. Looks like a Callaway set. Hopefully they're Callaways. We'll see. They have Callaway head covers. That could be good. We'll look at that later. Well, youth set could be $100 pretty quick. Okay, so we came from this garage sale, and I think these are the final buys of the morning, but they're so cool historically. Check this out. I paid $10 for all these hats right here. And they're basically Enron related hats. Look at this one right here. Holy moly, if you're familiar with the collapse of that company, you know, these things are semi-collector's items, whatever. I don't know what we're gonna get on these, but these are definitely destined for the booth. This one might make it on eBay right here because it actually says Enron, so that's pretty neat. But these are the last finds of the day. $10 for these vintage trucker style hats. Might keep one for myself, don't know which one yet. Probably this one, but they're cool. This one has a Southwest kind of thing to it. And yeah, pretty cool finds. All right, so that's the vlog, and I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, there was some cool hats for sure. Not every day you see an Enron hat, I'm telling you. But if you enjoyed the vlog, then put a like and put a comment. And I need to know which garage sale guide to choose, the covers, you know, in the first part of the video. Help me out. I'll see y'all in the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.